Earnest money is the deposit of a sum of money to demonstrate the buyer's serious intent to purchase a property. The amount is determined by the parties and stated in the contract. The date by which the earnest money is due and the party which will hold the earnest money are also stated in the contract, but generally speaking, earnest money is due within 48 hours of the contract being signed by all the parties, and these days, earnest money is normally held by the law firm handling the closing. At Blair Cato, we offer multiple ways you can deposit your earnest money. You can always drop off a check to one of our locations throughout South Carolina. The check does not have to be certified, but it will have to season in our trust account for 10 business days. This means the closing cannot occur, nor can we disperse the money to either party if your closing cancels until the check has actually cleared our account. So if your closing is supposed to occur in less than 10 business days from when you deposit your earnest money, you'll need to send your earnest money by wire transfer. Sending your earnest money by wire transfer is easy, and in many cases can be done from the comfort of your own home. You may want to contact your bank, however, as some banks require you to go into a branch in order to initiate a wire. Since Blair Cato requires that if your cash to close, the money you have to bring to closing, exceeds $5,000, you must send that money by wire transfer, it's not a bad idea to check with your bank early on anyway. Some banks also have daily limits on the amount you can send by wire, so the sooner you have that information, the better. Now, how do you send a wire? Our wiring instructions can be found in our Cooler Closings portal and should only be obtained from there. We do not send wiring instructions by email, so if you receive an email purporting to be from someone at our firm that includes instructions for sending a wire, you should disregard that email and call one of our offices immediately. If, for some reason, you're unable to access our Cooler Closings portal, please call one of our offices and we will send those instructions to you securely. Always use the phone numbers you see on our website to call our offices and not a phone number in an email to be certain you're calling the right place. Your bank will likely charge a fee for you to wire the money. The last way you can send us your earnest money is via our new earnest money deposit system called Deposit TR. The link to this system can be found in our Cooler Closings portal. You have two options for the deposit in this system. The first is that you can enter your bank account routing number, account number, and name on the account, and the system will do a direct ACH debit of your account once we have approved the deposit. We have to make sure the money is coming from your account and that it's for the correct amount before we approve it. This money will have to season for 5 business days. The second way to deposit your earnest money using this system is to scan a picture of a paper check, which can be done using a scanner or taking a picture with your phone, just like when you remote deposit a check into your own account, if you've ever done that. The Deposit TR walks you through both types of deposits, so it's extremely easy to use this system. The last thing to know about earnest money is that if your transaction cancels for any reason, we cannot release your earnest money without a contract release signed by both the buyer and the seller. This means that if you and the seller do not agree as to whom the earnest money is due after cancellation and you're unable to reach a compromise, you will have to file a lawsuit, normally in magistrate's court, unless your earnest money is greater than $7,500, and have the court determine who gets the money. As this process is not very fast, nor is it free, it is always a good idea to negotiate with the other side, even if you believe the money should go back to you, so you can avoid the cost and headache. I hope this answers any questions you might have about earnest money. We hope to see you at the closing table very soon.